Large compartments to store things. They go all the way through the trailer. It does have dual batteries on it. Easy jam. It has this jack stand for the front kingpin on it. This is the front of it as I'm backing out, and there's on the side the large slide on it. This also has a filter system on it and two 7-gallon tanks of propane, and this is one of the front compartments to the trailer. It goes all the way through for large storage. It does have new tires on it. We keep them covered for the weather and different opportunities that you have for the front tires on it. We keep them covered because of the weather. This is the back part of the trailer. It has brand new awnings on it with covers over the awnings. You can see.
Now it is.
This is the, it has two lounges in it. The back living room with a large slide. The slides do have covers over them as you're walking in. And then it has for your stereo unit and TV. You come in, and then you have your kitchen, which is the microwave and the oven, and plenty of storage in this unit. As you're going back into the bedroom, there is the cabinets for storage for your groceries and things in it. The back bedroom, and it has storage under the bed. If you want to lift it up, there's storage there under the bed. It does have large cabinet spaces there in the bedroom, plus a divider that closes the door. It closes up from the front to the back. It does have a sunroof on it in the bathroom. And it has fancy fans in it and storage for in the bathroom.